Installing security cameras can significantly enhance your home's safety, but common mistakes can undermine their effectiveness. One of the biggest errors is poor camera placement. Are your cameras covering all entry points, high traffic areas, and blind spots? Height and angle matter more than you think. Mounting cameras too high or at the wrong angle can limit visibility and leave you exposed. Weak Wi-Fi signals can disrupt your security system. Test your Wi-Fi strength in intended camera locations to avoid connectivity issues. Night vision is crucial. Without it, your cameras might be blind after dark. Choose cameras with reliable night vision features. Testing the system before finalizing installation is a must. Ensure each camera captures the desired areas effectively to avoid blind spots. Privacy concerns are often overlooked. Be mindful of privacy laws and ensure your cameras do not infringe on your neighbor's privacy. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure your security camera system is both effective and reliable. For expert guidance on installing security cameras correctly, contact us for your free consultation at 843-489-9332 or visit our store online at www.secureviewcameras.com. Secure your home the right way. Don't leave your safety to chance. Schedule your free consultation today and sleep soundly tonight.